In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver a lead magnet with ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through a simple but powerful setup that makes sure anyone who fills out your form instantly gets access to your lead magnet, such as a PDF, a checklist, or a video. By the end, your form will automatically send people straight to the download link without you needing to follow up manually. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and head over to the left-hand menu. Look for the section labeled Website. This is where all of your site-related tools live inside ActiveCampaign. Once you're in the website area, click on Forms. Here you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Find the specific form you're using to collect leads for this magnet and click Edit next to that form. Make sure you're editing the correct one, especially if you have multiple forms targeting different offers. Once the form editor opens, look over to the sidebar and find the tab labeled Options. This is where you control what happens right after someone hits the Submit button. Click on Options, and you'll see a section called On Submit. This tells ActiveCampaign what to do when someone completes the form. By default, you might see something like Show Message or a basic confirmation. For delivering a lead magnet, change this setting to Open URL. What this does is redirect the person who just submitted the form to a specific web address that you choose. In this case, that web address will be your direct download link. Now, in the URL field that appears, paste the direct download link for your lead magnet. This could be a link to a file hosted on your website in cloud storage or a landing page where the file can be downloaded. Test this link in a separate browser tab first to make sure it opens correctly and doesn't require extra logins or permissions. The smoother the experience, the better it feels for your new subscriber. Once your URL is in place, go to the Integrate section. This is where ActiveCampaign gives you any embed code or integration options you might need for your website. But even if you don't change anything here, it's important to finalize your work. Click Save and Exit to lock in all of your settings. At this point, your form is ready. Whenever someone submits their information, ActiveCampaign will automatically redirect them to your lead magnet download link, giving them instant access and creating a clean, professional experience.